How would I truly deserve it? And then I would
Send me gift panda or gift celebration.
I'm sorry, but this is what we are protecting you from. Namalaman mo that there was another man. Ang dami-dami namatay dun sa aksidenteng yun. Wait, pero paano natin nalaman na connected si engineer dun sa bumubo ng building? Don't tell me they planned to collapse. Ayoko lang magsalita. Ang alam ko lang, gagawin nila ang lahat para makatakas pagkatapos silang pagnakawan ng malaki ang
Send me gift lang.
What a revelation! Kapit na nga, nagdanakaw pa.
Celebration gift or panda.
Para hindi ko ano yung binibintang niya sa'yo. That's why we kept it a secret to protect her. To protect this family. No. Hindi yan yung sinabi ni Papa. You went there. You were covered in blood. Yes. I was there after I found out. At pagdating ako doon, wala ka na. Kung ano man ang naging relasyon namin ng mama mo. I did try to revive her, Caroline. Kaya ako umuwi ng buwan. You were those pills. What was I supposed to do with those? Ano itatago ko? Ano remembrance from that horrible incident?
Hi Alex, send me gift babe. I will follow you.
No. No, I don't believe you. Caroline, hindi ako nagsisinungaling.
Alex, send me gift Alex.
I'll let her go. That's what she does best. Walk.
Pwede ba, Lydia?
What? Hindi mo pala si Caroline pinagtatanggol mo?
You don't have to keep antagonizing her.
Send me gift babe. I will follow you Alex. Alex, send me gift panda. Send me panda gift or celebration. I will follow you everyone.
At nang malaman mo lahat sila, magkakasabuhan, kasama ang nanay mo, buti na lang patay na siya.
Your mother.
I will follow you. Send me gift babe.
That's why she killed herself. I'm sorry, but this is what we are protecting you from. Don't tell me they planned to collapse. Ang alam ko lang, gagawin nila ang lahat para makatakas.
Send me panda gift lang.
Ang papa niyo. My gosh, what a revelation! Kapit na nga, nagdanakaw pa.
Ding,